Siguradong proud na naman ngayon ang popstar royalty na si Sara Geronimo sa kanyang asawang si Matteo Guidicelli. Kasi nga, hindi talaga tumitigil ang TV host actor sa pagpupursigi upang mas mapabuti pa ang kanyang career at personal life. Pagkatapos niyang mag-enroll sa business program ng Harvard Business School last December, bumalik nga si Matteo sa Harvard campus sa Boston, Massachusetts. Ito'y para naman sa pagkuha niya ng kursong marketing sa Executive Education Program ng Harvard sa kanyang Instagram page. Ibinalita ng husband ni Sarah G ang good news kalakip ang ilang litrato na kuha sa Boston. Aniya sa caption, met some amazing people from all over the world through the Harvard Business School Executive Education Program. Different cultures, different perspectives but one shared goal, to grow, learn, and connect. Friendships, conversations, and bonds we've built in just a short time. All smiles, all excitement. Let's keep this going, pahayag ni Matteo. Nag-share rin si Matteo ng ilang pictures na kuga sa naturang US campus, arrived in Boston a week ago with a mission, to grow, connect, and absorb everything this journey has to offer. Harvard Business School is a space of discipline, curiosity, and heart. Let's do this. Aniya pa sa caption. Nauna rito, nag-post din si Matteo ng video kung saan ipinasilap niya ang ilang kaganapan sa kanyang buhay bilang estudyante. Ipinakita rin niya ang kanilang classroom at ang tinutuluyan niyang dorm. Say ni Matteo sa caption, "Come with me for a day in the life as a marketing student at Harvard Business School Executive Education. From the dorms to the classroom." Patuloy pa niya, hone ang skills, listen to minds from various industry leaders and learning strategies at the Harvard Business Program, changing the game, negotiation and competitive decision making. Sa isa namang IG post ni Matteo noong unang sabak niya sa Harvard, ibinahagi niya ang kanyang unforgettable experience last year. Being part of a diverse group of 88 participants from 31 nationalities and 27 industries was both inspiring and eye-opening. Engaging with such accomplished peers and working through case studies with renowned professors and authors like Max Bazerman, Deepak Malhotra, and Guhan Subramanian was invaluable. This place has been very, very beautiful. Connections we made, professors we've listened to and learned from, amazing. Really top-notch and I really appreciated everything, the learning experience, the camaraderie we built with all the classmates, the beautiful Boston. I wish to come back in the future and I highly recommend this to everybody out there.